In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack in just 5 minutes. If you're new to Slack or simply looking for a quick refresher, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the basics and get you comfortable navigating this powerful communication platform. First things first, you'll want to open Slack. If you're using a computer, head over to your browser or open the desktop app if you've downloaded it. On a mobile device, find the Slack app icon and get it running. This is where all the Slack magic begins. Once Slack is open, the next step is to join or create a workspace. A workspace is essentially a hub where your team or organization comes together to collaborate. You can either create a new one if you're starting fresh with a group, or enter an invite link if you're joining an existing workspace. Just follow the prompts, and in no time, you'll be all set. Now, let's talk channels and messages. Channels are specific rooms within your workspace where conversations happen. These are often organized around topics, projects, or departments. You can browse through the list of channels, and don't forget to check out the direct messages section for more personal conversations. Knowing how to navigate this space will keep you connected with the right people and information. When it's time to chime in, typing your message is simple. At the bottom of any channel or direct message, you'll see a message box. Just click it and start typing. Here, you can share thoughts, updates, or questions, whatever needs to be communicated. When you're ready, hit enter to send your message to the channel or person. Beyond text, Slack lets you send files. To share a document or image, look for the paperclip icon next to the message bar. Clicking it will bring up options to select a file from your device, from your Google Drive, or other cloud services. Choose your file, add a comment if you wish, and send it along with your message. It's a nifty feature for keeping everyone on the same page with shared documents right in the chat. Now on to managing notifications, which lets you control when and how Slack alerts you. Click on your profile icon to access the notification preferences. Here, you can choose to get notifications for all new messages, only direct messages and mentions, or mute everything if you need some focus time. Tailoring these settings ensures you're informed but not overwhelmed. Finally, Slack offers a great feature for quick calls called huddles. To start a huddle, simply click Start a Huddle in the bottom left corner. This feature is perfect for spontaneous audio meetings without needing to set up a full video call. It's efficient and keeps the conversation flowing. And that's your quick guide to using Slack. With these steps, you should feel ready to start navigating and communicating effectively within your workspaces. Whether it's sending messages, sharing files, or managing notifications, there's so much productivity to unlock. Thanks for watching and happy Slacking.